Today, it's Cool Tool Tuesday. And oh man, I didn't think I was going to get that out. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Now, what is this tool? Well, let's just say it's going to illuminate things. I'm going to tell you what it is and how I use it every day. Coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and at the top of the video I talked about this tool here and that I use it every day. Now what is it? It's the world's smallest flashlight. It measures only 1.5 inches in height. And that's what I really like about it, how small and compact it is, because I can carry it in my pocket, but I carry it on my keychain. Now, if you're somebody that you like to camp, maybe you backpack or hike, this is a tool you'll want to have handy because it doesn't take up a whole lot of space, which is what I like about it. But don't let its size fool you. It really, folks, it kicks out a lot of light. Now, here's the thing. I've been trying to get myself in shape, trying to get ready for the spring and summer. And so I walk 10,000 steps every evening. I go to the local baseball field and I walk around till I get my 10,000 steps in. But the thing is this, sometimes I don't have that much pep in my step and I don't get finished by dark because I start at dusk, okay? And this little flashlight makes it possible to see where I'm going. I wouldn't want to carry a big flashlight, so this rests on my keychain, pull it out, and it illuminates my steps if it gets too dark on me. The other thing is it's magnetic. So say, for example, you're working under the hood of your car and you can't see what's there. Just take this and just stick it to the hood and you can clearly see in the darkness what you're looking at. It's a lot better than using your cell phone to illuminate things and then having to position it perfectly. So let me show you some of the other things that I just love about this thing and what makes it pretty doggone cool. What I love about it, folks, is you don't have to disconnect it from your keychain to use it. It's held in place with a magnet. And the moment you pull it out of its housing, it comes on. I love that. And then when you're finished with it, you don't turn it off. It turns itself off once you put it back in the holder. And you don't have to take it off your keychain to use it. You just pull it out of its magnetic holder and you're good to go. Now this doesn't have a battery that you install. I want you to check this out. This is how you charge it up. Well, you take your flashlight and you just insert it into the USB port and it charges. How cool is that? So what I'll do is I'll place a link in the description below the video so you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.